This is a subtitle edit answer video. Somebody asked me, how can you capitalize one subtitle line or subtitle sentence in subtitle edit? Now, I'll begin just by getting a video. Just quickly get the video and then use the automatic audio to text feature. Just super fast. No quality assurance done to the subtitles and captions or whatever. But all I want us to do is capitalize one word. Now, by default, if I click on Tools and click on Change Casing or Control-Shift-C, you'll notice that there is no option to change casing for selected line. Now, this is not available in the Tools feature. So if I click on all uppercase, all the subtitle lines will become all uppercase. Let me press on Control-Z to undo. And let's assume you want to make this line, and I press on Control and click this third line right here into uppercase. Once I do that, I'll just right click and then go to selected lines, change casing for selected lines, click on that, and then I want them all uppercase. I'll click on OK, and you'll notice that only the lines I've selected are now in uppercase. So I believe this answers that particular question. How can you make one subtitle line or just a couple of subtitle lines uppercase? So let's say you wanted this only, just click on it, right click, selected lines, change casing for selected lines, click on that, and you have them all in uppercase. Super fast, super simple to change casing for a single sentence in a subtitle in subtitle edit. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.